Well, let's see if he's in a better mood today. Hi! Where's your backpack? Riley, get your backpack. Thank you. Come on. Hey, did you have a good day?
Yeah.
Wave to the bus.
See all the, look at the garage, look at all the lumber.
We gotta build a deck.
We're gonna build a deck.
Are you gonna help Grandpa with the hammer?
Say hi.
Look at it all.
Is that all you need? All the wood?
That's
And
it.
cutting it in half?
Nope.